Introduction. You must have observed that in nature, many things follow a certain pattern. For example, in a honeycomb, identical hexagonal shaped holes are arranged symmetrically around each hexagon. Similarly, you can find out other natural patterns in spirals of pineapple. You can look for some other patterns which occur in our day-to-day life. Some examples are 1. List of the last digits taken from the values of 4, 4 square, 4 cube, 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 6, and so on is 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6 and so on. Number 2. Mary is doing problems on patterns as part of preparing for a bank exam. One of them is find the next two terms in the following pattern: 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, 22 and so on. In this chapter, we shall discuss some of these patterns in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms or multiplying preceding terms by a fixed number. We shall also see how to find their nth term and the sum of the n consecutive terms and use this knowledge in solving some daily life problems. Arithmetic progressions. What is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. This fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. Remember that it can be positive, negative or 0. Let us denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term by A2, and so on, nth term by AN, and the common difference by D. Then the AP becomes A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to, and so on, is equal to AN minus 1 is equal to D. Arithmetic progressions. General form arithmetic progressions: A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is called general form of an AP, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. For example, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, the first terms is 1 and the common difference is also 1. Parameters of arithmetic progressions. If there are only a finite number of terms in an AP, such as AP is called a finite AP. Also note that each of these arithmetic progressions, APs, has a last term. The APs are not finite APs and so they are called infinite arithmetic progressions. Such APs are never ending and do not have a last term. Parameters of arithmetic progressions. The first term A and the common difference D parameters are sufficient for us to complete the arithmetic progression. If the difference between succeeding terms is constant, then it is an arithmetic progression. In general, for an AP, A1, A2, and so on, AN, we can say D is equal to AK plus 1 minus AK, where K belongs to N. K is greater than or equal to 1, where AK plus 1 and AK are the K plus 1 and the K terms respectively. Example: write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Number 1. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. Number 2. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. Solution. Number 1. 10, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Number 2. Minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, plus 1 by 2. Example. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Number 1. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, and so on. Number 2. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 9, 13 by 3, and so on. Solution. Number 1. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, and so on. First term A is equal to minus 5. Common difference is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5 is equal to 4. Number 2. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 9, 13 by 3 is equal to first term A is equal to 1 by 3. Common difference is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Nth term of an arithmetic progressions. The nth term of the AP with first term A and common difference D is given by An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is also called the general term of the AP. Note, if there are m terms in the AP, then Am represents the last term, which is sometimes also denoted by L. Example. Find the 10th term of the AP 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and so on. Solution. Here small a is equal to 5, D is equal to 1, minus 5 is equal to minus 4, and n is equal to 10. We have An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to 5 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 5 minus 36 is equal to minus 31. Therefore, the 10th term of the given AP is minus 31. Example. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second row, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? Solution. The number of rose plants in the first, second, third, and so on rows are 23, 21, 19, and so on 5. It forms an AP. Let the number of rows in the flower bed be n. Then A is equal to 23, D is equal to 21 minus 23 is equal to minus 2. An is equal to 5. Yes, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have 5 is equal to 23 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. That is minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to n is equal to 10. So, there are 10 rows in the flower bed. Sum of first 9th terms in arithmetic progressions. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Note, if the first and last terms of an AP are given and the common difference is not given, then Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an is very useful to find Sn. Example. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Solution. Here Sn is equal to 1050, n is equal to 14, a is equal to 10, s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 1050 is equal to 14 by 2 into 2a plus 13d is equal to 140 plus 91d. 910 is equal to 91d. d is equal to 10. Therefore, A20 is equal to 10 plus 20 minus 1 into 10 is equal to 200. Example. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. Solution. Let s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 1000. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. For the sum of the first n terms of an AP, we have S1000 is equal to 1000 by 2 into 1 plus 1000 is equal to 500 into 1001 is equal to 5,500,000. So, the sum of the first 1000 positive integers is 5,500,000. Geometric progressions. A geometric progressions GP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by multiplying preceding term with a fixed number or except first term. This fixed number is called common ratio R. The general form of GP is A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. Some more examples of geometric progressions. Number 1. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and give it to 4 different persons with the same instructions so that they can move the chain ahead similarly. Assuming that the chain is not broken, the number of letters at first, second, third and so on stages are 1, 4, 16, 256, and so on respectively. Number 2. Initially, a pendulum swings through an arc of 18 centimeters. On each successive swing, the length of the arc is 0.9 of the previous length. So, the length of the arc at first, second, third and so on swing will be respectively 18, 16.2, 14.58, 13.122, and so on. Example. Write GP if A is equal to 256, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Solution. General form of GP is equal to A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. 256, 256 into minus 1 by 2, 256 into minus 1 by 2 whole square, 256 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to 256, minus 128, 64, minus 32. Nth term of a geometric progressions. Nth term n of GP with first term A and common ratio R is given by An is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Example. Which term of the GP 2, 2 root 2, 4, and so on is 128. Solution. Here A is equal to 2, R is equal to 2 root 2 by 2 is equal to root 2. Let 128 be the nth term of the GP. Then An is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 into root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. Root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 64. 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 26. Therefore, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, n is equal to 13. Hence, 128 is the 13th term of the GP.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.